Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and we are bringing to you today the top 5 Bath Crate projects of 2018. We accomplished about 60 to 70 Bath Crate projects, almost the same exact number of kitchens actually in 2018. And we're going to show you our top 5 from 2018. These are projects that caught our eye, maybe because of design reasons, functionality reasons, but really all of these bathrooms will represent something that you might be interested in seeing in your home. And so we're going to kind of walk you through the highlights from each of these projects. So coming in at number 5 is Bath Crate Austin Way in Livermore. Now I was able to personally see this project a few times during construction and at the end, and there's some things that really stood out to me. So the first thing is the very strong design aesthetic. I love the use of very light tones, for example, some of the fixtures, the wall paint, the countertop, contrasting with the really dark tones of the vanity, some of the other plumbing fixtures, and even the hardware on the shower enclosure. Another thing that you may not pick up, but I do remember from this project, is the walk-in closet that's right adjacent to the shower was actually modified to pick up about another 12 to 18 inches of shower space. So the shower got bigger, the tub was replaced, a little dividing wall between the tub and shower was installed to create a home for the bathtub fixtures. And once again, love the design aesthetic on this job and the way that we made some changes that made it so much more functional for this particular customer. Coming in at number 4, Bath Crate Petersburg Circle in Stockton. Now this is the hall project. We actually did 2 bath crates at this particular home. And so what I wanted to highlight is this hall bathroom because we did something here that so many people call about and want to see if it's possible with Bath Crate. You'll notice on this project 2 main things. So the first is the existing finishes, the dramatic change from the square 1x1 floor tile, the wallpaper that really when you walk in, it's just all this square brown type of stuff hitting you right in the face. And so what we did is that finish is gone, and now you'll see this beautiful, mostly white with a little bit of pop of color at the vanity cabinet itself. I love the tones and kind of the calmness that we brought to this bathroom from a design perspective. The other thing you'll notice is how we were able to open up the sight line from the vanity area to the shower area. So we literally removed the wall that divided these 2 spaces. We came back with a very small pony wall that kind of creates just a little bit of privacy or lack of sight line to the toilet area. People usually like that. Also gave the vanity a good landing spot on the left side. So just kind of that simple maneuver of opening up the sight line to the shower area created a much larger feel to this existing footprint. So you take that, combine it with the new finishes, and this was our number 4 Bath Crate project of 2018. Number 3 Bath Crate of 2018, Bath Crate Girard Drive in Lodi. So I love the finishes on this project, and I especially love them in contrast to the bathroom when we first saw it. Take a look at this thing because it made me cringe just a little bit to see this before, but the after is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you 2 kind of areas of this project. The first is the vanity area. You're going to notice that that old oak vanity is gone, and in its place is a super modern wall-mounted vanity. Went from a single sink to double sink vanity. Now these wall-mounted vanities are coming on strong. I think number 1, they look contemporary, but number 2, it's really easy to clean underneath them. You have your kind of everything off the ground. It's a really sanitary kind of way to approach a bathroom when it comes to cleanliness. But it gives us a super modern look, big drawers with big pulls on it. Just love the way that whole vanity area came together. Now, if we rotate around to what used to be a bathtub only, now you're going to see a beautiful tub shower combination, very clear shower enclosure, and you're going to see just a beautiful niche. Now these niches are put in probably 80 to 90% of our projects these days. These custom niches are built into the wall, and what people love about them is you can configure them in virtually any way: width, height, number of shelves. We work with each of our customers to come up with the niche that works for their particular usage of the space. Coming in at number 2, Bath Crate Marlborough Place Hall in Modesto. Now I emphasize hall because we actually worked on at least 4 rooms in this home. In fact, the customer was in not long ago was joking with me. There was pretty much not a room in the home that the kitchen and bath crate didn't touch. So that's always cool to be able to come back and keep working with someone, in this case, keep working with them for a very long period of time. So this BathCrate project, we want to profile a couple things for you. I'm going to start actually with the shower area because what we did is something that a lot of people are asking for these days. So we're removing the bathtubs of these tub shower combos, or maybe just a bathtub by itself, and instead we're going in with a built-in shower. Now tubs just don't seem to be used as much in 2018 in the last 5-10 years. Now usually homes want to keep at least one, but otherwise it's kind of free reign to convert these tubs into showers. So love the beautiful clear glass enclosure. Once again, a beautiful niche. Rain shower head. You're going to actually notice a disappearing drain at the shower, really popular in 2018, these drains that get tiled in the middle, so all you see is this kind of simple square pattern of the drain. And then over on the vanity side, got rid of this old dated oak vanity, and in its place put a brand new vanity top, and just a beautiful, just a gorgeous mirror over this vanity that really ties all the finishes together. So that was BathCrate Marlborough Place Hall in Modesto. And coming in at number 1 in our top bath crates of 2018, one that I'm a little bit biased towards because I actually ran this project personally. Loved the way it turned out, loved working with this customer. This was such a fun project to work on, and there's so many things to tell you about, and so I will move through them quickly. So the first thing I want to talk with you about is the shower. We used a very large format tile, a 30 by 30 if I recall, on this project. And I love the veining of the tile, the way it comes together. So you get the advantage of a tile shower, so it can be configured in lots of different ways, but a lot less grout lines than with a smaller tile. But just the visual pop of this particular shower, I just love the way it came together. Beautiful glass enclosure and all that. Another thing that you won't be able to pick up on the pictures is we actually put in a radiant heated tile floor throughout the entire bathroom area. So on those cold January, February days, this customer can flip on that radiant heating and just warm this space up in no time. Now, as we pivot around, you're going to see a new freestanding tub that actually replaced this massive soaking tub that probably took hundreds of gallons to fill up. I don't know, but I love the freestanding tub. It kind of looks really delicate in that corner, fits nicely. And then we're going to rotate even further to kind of one of the showpieces of this project. This is a brand new custom jewelry cabinet and jewelry storage piece that we built for this customer. Beautiful mosaic tile backsplash that's washed from the top with a new 4-inch can light. And this is a really functional piece of basically furniture that we had custom built for this particular customer that really brings this entire project together. So that was our number 1 bath crate of 2018, BathCrate Country Oak Court in Oakdale. So there you have it. Those are our top bath crates from 2018. We can't wait to see what we do in 2019, and perhaps your bathroom project can be part of that. Go to kbCrate.com, schedule your phone consultation, give us a call at 888-995-7996. We'd be glad to talk with you about your project and see how BathCrate might be able to help you in the year ahead. Thanks so much for watching, and of course, Happy New Year.